Welcome back, everyone. This is a brief update from news from the oil market. Oil prices headed even lower in the previous sessions, but managed to stabilize yesterday and find some support, indicating some balance for the time being. For now, oil is plummeting, with the most obvious reason probably being the oversupply from the US. The API, US crude inventories weekly reading released yesterday, indicated a surplus of plus 3.5 million barrels, turning most analysts to the perspective of supply overshadowing most of the oil market fundamentals. We move to the OPEC front, where much interest is expected as we move into June due to the much anticipated meeting currently scheduled for the June the 25th. However, in the previous days, news was out that there was a slight chance for the OPEC meeting to be postponed. This stirred up a minor storm within the OPEC team, as members like Iran strongly resented the delay. We maintain a rather cautious opinion, however, as we would like the meeting to take place and view each member's opinion separately. What we do know, and is confirmed, is that Saudi Arabia and Iran were opposing powers within the group. They have previously disagreed on production levels and have challenged each other on OPEC's fundamental rules. So we expect a fight in some way. We now move to Russia, another important oil player that has seemingly decreased its oil production in the last months. In a count performed in the first days of June 2019, output was around 10.87 million barrels per day, lower than the average 11.11 million barrels per day in May. The Russians had some problems with contaminated oil back in mid-April, and the problem has not been resolved completely, still hurting output levels. It is said that supplies to Germany and Poland have been temporarily closed until this day and are expected to resume in the following days in June. Another matter that surrounds Russia is whether they will agree to follow OPEC decisions in the upcoming meeting. If they decide not to follow OPEC plans, whatever that may be, we could see a deterioration of relationships between them and the Saudis on a business level. Saudi Arabia has not clearly announced its plans to increase or cut supply in the second half, but the recent significant drops in oil prices, falling to their lowest since January, may keep them skeptical until the very last moment. OPEC may be looking to increase its influence in the oil market in the following weeks, as it may have been somewhat silenced due to the other pre-mentioned news. However, can OPEC change the current course of prices? That could be a great challenge for the group. For more in-depth investigation, please refer to our written report, which also includes technical analysis. For more information and trading ideas, please visit our webpage. Follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Angelos Zitis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.